Are you tired of watching your money sit idle in a savings account, earning next to nothing? It's time to make your money work for you, safely. Let's dive into 3 low-risk investments that smart investors trust. Starting with mutual funds, specifically money market funds. These funds are professionally managed and focus on high-quality short-term securities like Treasury bills and commercial papers. Why should you care? First, your capital is preserved, leaving very little chance of losing your money. Plus, you earn better interest than those regular savings accounts. And if you need quick access to your funds, money market funds are super liquid. They're perfect for beginners, retirees, and anyone looking to grow cash reserves without it being locked away. Next up, let's talk Treasury bills, or T-bills. These short-term government securities are one of the safest investments out there, guaranteed by the government. You lend your money to the government, and they pay you back with interest after a fixed period. It's perfect for those wanting low risk and predictable income. Then we have government bonds. These long-term investments involve loaning money to the government for several years. In return, you receive regular interest payments, making them a great way to build predictable income over time. Plus, they are backed by the full faith of the government, offering virtually zero default risk. Whether you choose money market funds for easy access, T-bills for short-term gains, or government bonds for long-term security, these safe investments are trusted and accessible. You don't need millions to get started. Some options let you begin with as little as $100. Don't let fear or confusion hold you back from building wealth. Start investing today. And if you're looking for more practical investment tips, subscribe now and stay tuned. We've got your back every step of the way.